Hit the old dungeon. Haven't been in here in years.
These guys haven't seen action since 92, you know?
Yeah. The trick, look at these bad boys. I can catch one of those with my hands. Oh, I had him in my hand. I'll get him tomorrow. I usually can catch him first try. There you go. Here's, dude.
I'm gonna need to go. You gotta go get that.
No. Woo! Woo!
This baby.
Big one. Look, do the angle thing so it looks bigger.
Oh yeah, that
How's it look? Huge?
Way bigger.
Whoa, 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 River! Ah, River! River, no!
River wants to
me.
fish. Can't watch this. That was horrendous. He'll never catch a thing all day. Mark my words, he's not gonna catch a thing. Thinks he's good at fishing. This poor guy.
Did not see this earlier today, but after reviewing the footage, Zach apparently doesn't think I can fish after he just hooked himself on the neighbor's dock. So I just found a huge bass fishing tournament on our lake, and I just entered us in it. I'm about to call up the boys. There they are now. Jake's in. Jake's in. We're going to enter this thing, and we're going to win and show Zach we know what we're doing. Let's go, baby.
Just go in.
Oh, this ain't it.
Oh, that's not it.
Heidi
I'm playing for all
just
the
commented. I'll get you a rod, but I get to pick it out.
Okay.
Deal.
Yes. Deal. We'll make that deal.
Is that a hundo?
Speed.
It's gonna be a good paper airplane too, man.
Speed.
Hey! Little hundy? Hey, let me toss this hundy into your window. You want it? All right, here we go.
Oh, no! Fucked up, yo.
Oh,
Hey, he's gonna grab it.
yes!
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, baby!
He thinks he just made $100.
Promotion picture use only.
Pro shop, about to pick up some gear for the tournament.
We don't have any gear, so we gotta get new gear. I don't usually go to.
That's Pro sponsorship. Sponsor us.
Yeah, Bass Pro Shop. If you're seeing this,
If you're seeing this right now, just wait. We'll save it for the tournament. We'll let our fish speak.
Hey, superstar Benz, so she dancing on me. We pop champagne, no, that's all for the team. We not in the same lane, boy, you too fake for me. Diamonds on my chain, vanilla ice cream. I got diamonds on my chain, and you know they came from Bali. Drip too hard when I'm walking through the party. I let her hold 100 bands, give her all my pants. She said that she love you, but still call me the man. Damn.
Look, the game plan is look good, feel good, fish good. Just gonna get a bunch of gear in here like this. It's gonna help us. Definitely gonna get this. Yeah. Big bait. Catch big fish with big bait.
bro, what do you catch with this though? Like,
I just want to know what these are. This is about the size of my dick.
long and skinny.
Yep. Got a lot of flex. Hey, yo, comment on the video.
Oh,
Parker,
shit.
here you go. Here you go, Park.
Yes.
Park, here's your rod, boy.
Let's go. Let's go.
You need
Is
a
that
rock.
it right there, actually? I thought I was gonna get like a little princess.
No,
thing.
I like. Alright, guys, I just got my new rod and reel set up. Feeling really good about this fishing tournament tomorrow. Starting to think we have a chance.
Perfect. Thank you.
Got the fishing license, got the rod.
This is what we came out with. This is what we got for the whole tournament. Did. We are fucked.
Guys, I got the best purchase of the day. Check.
That's all you got?
That's all you got?
That's all I need.
You got some hooks.
180 bucks later.
Wow.
Watch it, don't hit the freaking light.
Oh, Jesus, Parker. That's that. Parker, what did we just say?
We just don't have enough money for this, dude.
We got.
If there's 100 boats and everybody's putting 60 beans, that's like 5,400 maybe. Wait,
It's great.
Hey, did you get a video of me pulling my pants down when you pulled
Yeah, I
up?
got your ass.
You got it? That was my ball sack poking out.
That ball sack was not poking out. It was shriveled
Damn,
up.
it's probably too small.
T-minus 4 hours.
4 hours?
The team looks pumped.
Shit.
Maddie, what are we doing here?
Oh, we getting the bass cheeks all licensed up, baby. Let's go, boy. We gonna go dummy tomorrow.
Would not be the bass cheeks without our Captain Colby. Captain Colby! Hog Daddy. A uniform.
No.
A custom Hog Daddy uniform.
Oh, let's see it, Kobe.
Just for my man.
No way.
Colby. Just for my man. Dude, let's go. Go put these on right now. Go put these on right now.
Oh, boy. Just what the doctor ordered. You look great, man.
Good morning. It's fish 30. It's fish 30. There you go. Get. You don't look ready for this.
Have a banana early morning. Get the potassium.
Brush your teeth.
Nobody.
I brought my toothbrush though, that's why I was just making sure. Because if y'all didn't brush your teeth, like, I wasn't gonna brush mine.
We got fish food right here, right there.
Oh boy, we are set.
I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, tell them run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell them run it up, I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this.
How you doing?
Do one form per boat.
Alright.
Yeah, 25 slide water.
9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number one.
Let's go. What boat number are we? We're the boat 8.
Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, tell them run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, tell them run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell them run it up.
14.
We didn't get skunked, boys.
14.
How the
Give
hell
me
do
a
I
kiss.
take this shit off?
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yeah, that's a good start, boys.
Matt got first catch.
Let's go, baby. And we
Bro, he's in the front. We started hot and we just. Oh, this fish.
Hopefully it'll let go.
We gotta film Parker. Parker's already got one hooked on our prop.
How the fuck did it get hooked onto there?
I told you to reel him in.
I'm stuck here. Did I stick you?
We got a first stick.
Okay, we got you. Holy shit. Dude, I looked back too just to make sure I wouldn't hit Parker.
Zach, watch how far this guy goes.
Oh, what was that?
All right, guys, it is 7:58 a.m. Oh, man, we're about to hit a dock. We just hit a dock. Just a little dock bump,
I'm gonna go roll
everybody.
That I've got this teeny little rod and I'm gonna fucking catch the biggest fish.
Mark's still trolling back here. Found a honey hole.
Restricted, that's weird.
Oh, what the hell?
Hey, is there gonna be fish in there? I mean, yeah.
That's what we're hoping.
That's the plan.
Hey guys, we need all lures over the dam.
What's it say right there?
Parker, cast over.
It says police authorized to arrest.
No trespassing.
We're not trespassing, right?
It is 9 a.m. We've still only caught one fish on the first cast. Our hopes are still high. We found a little reservoir. We're not sure if we're trespassing or not, but it's a little bit of a gray area. We're gonna let her ride.
Got one more.
Oh! Got him!
Yeah!
We got one!
Hey, get hurt.
Stand on top of that. Stand
Oh man, get the net!
Get the net!
Get the net!
Get the net!
Let's go, man! Fuck it, I'm casting. Let's go.
All right, let's keep it.
No boat flop!
What are we doing?
We're just filling up the live well here. We didn't really plan for this, to be honest.
We weren't sure if we were gonna catch any.
It was because I put the fish swaps on.
That could have been it. And there was some murmuring Colby was gonna put on his shorts. Oh, we're leaking.
Maybe a 3-pounder.
We found another restricted area point. Yep. It's usually where we have our best luck.
We found a lot of fish in the restrict.
I'm gonna let these boys go. I think it's Sammy time for me. Shout out to Wendy for packing these Sammies. Oh!
Damn, he got away? Or you got him? No!
All right, it's about 11 o'clock. We're three bass in. We got a solid run in. We got a good shot at winning this. We're going back to our hot spot.
It literally says keep off.
We'll see what happens. We're back at the dam. We're ready to catch some more big ones. This is untouched over here, boys. We don't really like to tell anybody about this spot, but we've been coming here since, what, like 9 a.m.? 9:15?
That's where you win the tournaments.
It's where you win the tournaments.
Where you win the tournament.
We're about to poach some enemies. We're not getting a lot of hits over here, but these guys are killing. We got the mobile fisherman.
Oh.
SS Booty Cheeks.
That's his booty cheeks. You just put a little spinner bait on there?
A little spinner bait.
You didn't count for the top heavy sticks.
All right, boys. A little modification. SS Booty Hole 2.0. Super. Oh, cool. We are set. Hey, we're set to catch some big on this.
Woo! Hey Jake, how you doing up there?
Woo! Just chilling, man. Enjoying life.
Dude, this is the best fishing I've ever done. Turbo. Little turbo booster. Oh!
Do you have something?
They pulled it under. Take the boat out.
I'm coming.
Try the boat.
Oh, I think he's on. He just pulled it under. No way. You gotta net it, Jake.
Got him, net it. Woo! That's it, baby.
Net it! Oh.
Did he get it? Dude, I think I got one. I really do.
Look, we've been out here 4 hours. We're catching monsters.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh, he's floppy.
Oh yeah, he's fucked.
Back to
Oh
the
yeah,
dam.
he dead, bro.
It's like awesome, boys. We took all the precautions to keep these guys safe. It was probably a 5 or 6 pounder. We lost her.
Put on vision, damn, boy.
Right here, right there, 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 right right now, right here.
Oh, you got one! Big boy! Get the net! Get the net! Yep.
It's a big motherfucker, boy!
Just another day in the life of a hog daddy. Hey, ripping lips, baby.
Are you good over there?
Holy beach, motherfucker! On both feet? Yeah.
Jeez.
Push it. Hey, let me tell you something.
What the hell were you thinking, Maddie? Oh wait, let me.
How bad is it?
Hey, pick him up. Let me see him.
cut every part of your foot, dude.
Is it both?
It's just like you're just scraped up. It's just a lot of scrapes, and then your knees.
You got everything.
He's bleeding out.
Oh!
I knew I heard some shit. Big channel cat.
Oh yeah, that thing's ugly as hell, bro. It's got diseases on it.
Shit.
Final hour of the competition. We're back in the honey hole.
Hey, where's my
We're all just trying to get the big boys. Zach had one. He let him off.
braided line?
Ripped the
boys?
braided 10-pound line.
It was bigger.
That's a
than 10
tournament
pounds.
winner right there.
Oh!
Kobe's got one. Kobe's got one.
Are you lying? Doesn't look like a big one.
Cole, bring him in the boat.
Come on, Cole!
Cole, bring him in the boat.
Cole.
Yes!
Oh, it's a big one!
It's a big one!
Kobe, look at this mother!
Oh! What's your secret, man?
Is it?
Honestly, man, I just want to thank the Lord above for giving me a beautiful day out here on the lake. Coming out here for a good time, you know. And
Yes, sir.
I want to give a shout out to the Guggen squad for the Guggen baits, and also the KVD straight worm
And the bass
by
cheeks.
Strike King.
And the bass cheeks.
Last but not least, shout out to the fucking bass cheeks.
Shout out to the
yeah.
bass cheeks. Hey, great interview. That's Colby Williford, guys. That's all we have today. We're gonna cash these in. Look at this guy.
Feeling confident going into the scales.
Yeah.
The scales are gonna be stacked. I cannot imagine any bigger fish than the ones we caught.
How do you feel like you did today?
I feel like I did pretty terrible.
On a 1 to 10. What did you contribute to the team?
Laughter and good times.
All right, boys, we're going to weigh in.
Here we go.
So
Hey guys, we did. Let's give
we
ourselves a
can't
round of applause.
forget about our fallen
We
friend.
killed about 3 cases of beer and 1 fish.
Oh yeah! I forgot about the beer, dude.
I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your Phoenix tonight. Come on and ride.
The results of the tournament are in. Zach, tournament results are in.
No way.
I haven't looked yet. I haven't looked.
How
Here
do
we
we
go.
do?
Oh, here we go.
Oh, there we are.
Look, honorable mention to the Bass Cheeks in the Mastercraft, weighing in an impressive 9.52.
Let's go!
That would have put them in 5th place.
Let's
Woo!
go!
Let's go!
That's sick.
Guys, thanks for watching the video. If you're still watching, we're doing a limited time Bass Cheeks merch drop just for the video. Make sure to grab it quick. Some banger merch. I think we'll sell like 100 hats, 100 shirts, and that's it. Link in the bio. First come, first serve. Make sure to hit the like, the subscribe. This is our first video. We're gonna try to put out something every week.
Make sure to comment, share,
Retweet it.
comment again.
Like, subscribe, follow, comment,
Comment.
and eat the sandwich.
And then eat a sandwich first.
That's all you gotta do. Like and just subscribe. Like and subscribe, dude.
It's fun to stay up.